Hey, this is JR, and I just wanted to say a little thing about mech tie downs. I've been using them for about 3 years, and they are just top-notch quality. If you could see the videos from the recovery that we did out in Colorado, you could see how the Jeep was pretty much sideways off the side of a mountain, and I just cannot say how amazed I was that the Jeep did not budge, that the straps held, and that I was busting D-rings before I was busting straps. Again, thank you for making an awesome product.
Thank you for making awesome straps. They saved my Jeep and my brother's racer from falling off the mountain.
All right, there you go.
Keep it tight, keep it tight. Out, out, out. Want to go in? In. Out. You're fine.